In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add a payment method on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the U page. Now click on this icon given at the top right. You'll be directed to settings page. Click on the option your payment methods. From here, you are able to add a new payment to your Temu account. Click on the option add a debit or credit card. Now you will need to fill these details. Type in your card number, likewise expiration date and CVV. Also update your billing address. If you want to scan your card instead of manually typing your card details, click on the option Scan Card. Locate your card within the camera. Then scan the front, likewise back of the card. With that, card details will automatically updated. And that's it. This way you can easily add a payment method on Temu. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.